Hi again. I'm so happy you're here, and I hope you're having a great day. This week I received this beautiful easel. It was actually gifted to me by a company called Viswin. I hope I pronounced that right. And I can't even explain how grateful I am. I can't believe that this is my reality right now. I was so excited to put it together. Painting has kind of been on the back burner just a little bit because we actually adopted a new puppy. She is 7 months and we named her 11. She's been taking up all of our time, and so I spend a lot of time at home, and I've wanted to have a nice easel at home for a while now so I can paint at home, but yeah, it just, I don't know, divine timing, I guess. Her cat, Sophie, has really been enjoying this whole process. She has been looking forward to some new boxes, and she loved playing with all of the tiny little particles like the screws and stuff. They actually allowed me to choose whichever easel I wanted from their collection. They actually sell all of their easels on Amazon, which is super convenient. I chose this portable, collapsible H-frame easel, which is just really great for at home. It is easy to move, it is easy to store because it has wheels and it can collapse. It can also lay flat like a tabletop, and it can hold 2 canvases at once, so this was absolutely perfect for me and to have at home. We don't really have much extra space in the house, and so I put it in the guest room, and when there's guests I can just collapse it and put it in the closet. So yeah, I'm really super excited about it. And here's the end result. I think the puppies like it. And Miss Sophie is very excited about her new box. This week I also started on a huge new canvas. This is the biggest canvas that I've ever painted on, and I decided to experiment a little bit. So I actually started without a plan, which was terrifying. I decided I would make a little bit of an abstract and then go from there, see what comes up and what I would like to do, which I don't think will be a technique that I'll use much more often because it was kind of stressful, but it was also fun and kind of freeing to just play with such a big canvas without worrying about the outcome so early on in the painting. I decided to challenge myself and add a few more bright colors, which I don't know if I really like it, but it was a good experiment, I guess. As I was painting the abstract, I did actually get a few ideas that I wanted to try, and one of those was a really fond memory I have of cycling to school through the woods, and that is something that I've really wanted to put into a painting, but I was a little bit scared and I wasn't sure how to execute it. So I made sort of like a vision board, I guess. I printed a couple of sources and decided to try and put them together without actually using any sort of editing software. So we'll see if I can pull this off. I'm a little bit scared, but I'm also really excited, and yeah, I am hoping that this painting will turn out all right. As you may have noticed, I've actually been trying to work in acrylics a lot. I had a chat with Ellie and Demetra, who are the teachers at the mastery program, and they really encouraged me to not just paint in oils, and so here we are. I'm trying my best. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see how this works out. I have found more ways to work with acrylics, luckily, so I'm feeling a little bit more confident with it, but yeah, it definitely just looks like one big colorful mess right now to me. Getting the drawing on here was actually kind of difficult, in part because I didn't have a real source. I was just going off of these different images and trying to put them together in my head, but also because the background was so distracting, so I definitely had to use my scale tool for this one, so hopefully it will turn out okay. It seems okay right now, but sometimes I come back to a painting after a little while and look at it and I'm like, oh no, all the proportions are off. So fingers crossed that this will turn out good. And here's the very messy aftermath. I know I don't usually show this, but here we are. I am thinking of putting some flowers in the basket and kind of letting them trail off. Probably like red flowers because that's a complementary color, but yeah, we'll see. Next stage will be oils, and I am slightly terrified but also very excited, and yeah, I can't wait to see how this piece will turn out. That being said, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.